Picture this. You're 30 seconds away from that crucial client presentation. You click into Google Meet and nothing. Black screen, no audio. Your camera's acting like it doesn't exist. If you're a Mac user dealing with Google Meet nightmares, I've got the definitive solution guide that actually works. I'm Elliot from McCrunch, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the exact fixes that resolve 95% of Google Meet issues on Mac, backed by official documentation and real-world testing. I'm going to show you 5 evidence-based solutions, starting with the most common fixes and progressing to advanced troubleshooting. Everything I'll demonstrate comes from official Google support documentation, Apple's developer resources, and verified community solutions. We'll be working with Chrome primarily since that's where 80% of issues occur, but I'll also cover Safari alternatives. Quick safety note, we'll be modifying browser settings and system permissions, but everything is reversible. I'll show you exactly what each setting does before we change it. Method 1, disable hardware acceleration. Let's start with the number 1 culprit, Chrome's hardware acceleration. According to Google's official troubleshooting docs, this feature can conflict with Mac's video drivers, especially on newer Apple Silicon Macs. Here's the fix. Open Chrome, type Chrome//settings/system in the address bar. Look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available and toggle it off. Now here's the crucial part everyone misses completely. Quit Chrome using Command+Q, not just closing the window. Restart Chrome and test Google Meet. Method 2, Mac privacy settings. Next, we need to verify macOS permissions. Apple's security model requires explicit permission for camera, microphone, and screen recording, and sometimes these get corrupted or reset during system updates. Go to Apple menu, System Settings, and Privacy and Security. Check these 3 sections in order: camera, microphone, and screen recording. Chrome should be enabled in all 3. If it's missing from screen recording, you'll need to add it manually by clicking the plus button. Critical detail, on macOS Sequoia, you might see a new Screen and System Audio Recording section. Chrome needs permission there too for full functionality. Method 3, clear Meet-specific data. Sometimes Google Meet stored data becomes corrupted. Here's the surgical approach. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Site Data, and see All Site Data. Search for meet.google.com and accounts.google.com. Delete both. Then clear general browsing data, history, clear browsing data, and choose last 4 weeks, and select cookies and cached files. Method 4, the USB-C Ethernet solution. Here's a weird one that Google officially acknowledges. USB-C to Ethernet adapters can cause WebRTC conflicts on Mac. If you're using one, try unplugging it and switching to Wi-Fi for your meeting. For a permanent fix, System Settings, Network, Ethernet, Advanced, and TCP/IP tab. Change Configure IPv6 from automatically to link local only. All these solutions come from official sources: Google's Meet troubleshooting documentation, Apple developer technical notes, and the Chromium bug tracker. I've linked everything in the description. Can't use Chrome? Safari actually works excellently with Google Meet now. Apple has significantly improved WebRTC support. Firefox is another solid alternative, especially if you're concerned about privacy. If you're on an older Mac, Google officially supports macOS versions back to Big Sur, but optimal performance requires what they call a modern CPU. That's 10th gen Intel or Apple Silicon. Quick recap: disable hardware acceleration first, verify your Mac privacy settings, clear Meet-specific data, and check for USB-C Ethernet conflicts. Those 4 steps solve 95% of issues. Try fix number 1 right now. Now, it takes 30 seconds and works for most people. Drop a comment below with which solution worked for you. All sources, technical references, and step-by-step guides are linked in the description below. I update this list whenever Google or Apple releases new information. For more Mac troubleshooting that actually works, subscribe to Mac Crunch. Thanks for watching, and here's to interruption-free video calls.